Hey, in this video I want to show you my big military backpack. Yes, it's the biggest backpack I have seen on YouTube. It's the biggest usable backpack I have seen on YouTube. There are some bigger backpacks which are usually used for exhibitions as a joke, but this one is really in use and I use it and I made it for myself. I made it, yes, the backpack or the bag is self-made. The carrying system is by Tatonka and it's made for carrying high loads, up to 50 kilogram. I usually use it in mountain environment where I'm on tour for several days, so I have to bring all things I need for sleeping, moving and for climbing sometimes. So then I need a big backpack and I wasn't able to find a big one like this and I can sew, so I decided to make one myself and mount it on this carrying system by Tatonka. The weight of it is around 3.8 kilogram. So it's not that light, but it's still lighter than some of these tactical, highly modular backpacks, which I don't use and I don't need. The volume of it, it's approximately 120 liters or something around this, maybe even 130. The thing is, I calculated the volume, but it's not that easy with the side pockets. Okay, now let's jump into the backpack before it starts raining. By the way, I am 1.92 meters high or tall, so you can imagine how big this backpack is. Usually people that are hiking or even the military guys are that tall, something like this. And I'm a big one, so this backpack is even bigger than you expect, maybe, if you don't know me. Okay, now let's come close. Yes, a big strap on the hip and one on the chest with a whistle. But now to the bag itself. Oh God, it's so big I have to zoom out. I have to zoom out a bit. This is it. Right now it's only filled with sleeping bags, so it's relatively light. Usually I carry it around with 25 to 40 kilograms. So usually it's heavier. But for demonstration purpose, with sleeping bags and jackets inside, it will do it. Okay. The material is Cordura 500, at least the most of it. I bought it at Tactical Trim. It's a German retailer who sells raw materials. So thanks for Tactical Trim. I will link them down in the description. Where to start? I will start on the bottom. So down here you can see there are straps. Right now I have got this sleeping pad and it's attached to the front. And with two buckles I can open it, replace it, and the strap itself is inside here. So if I want, I can attach it like this. So it's underneath or below the backpack and not on front or in front. So I can even attach two rolls separately and then tighten them with one string or one strap. This is cool, this is handy, because I can even attach snowshoes here and the sleeping mat down here. Now, on the sides. On both sides I have got these mesh pockets. They are made from heavy mesh. This is how the material is called. I added shock cord on top to tighten it, and there will easily fit a 1 liter Nalgene bottle inside, or a water filter, or a lightweight wind jacket, or things I need to have to get to quickly. Then on the sides, the side pockets are usually folded. So when they are empty, they are flat. And on top I have got the shock cord straps to tighten it. So it's compressed and it's extra long. So I can even place a rain jacket or a rope or everything I want underneath this shock cord. The side pockets themselves are accessible from the front with big zippers, and they are accessible from the back. So here, so this is the same pocket. I made this because when the backpack is laying on ground with the back system and I have access to the whole front. Then I can even have access to the side pockets, and when I just do a short rest and I place it on the ground like this, then I can also access the side pockets, because usually I have water or water filter and my stove and all this stuff in the side pockets, and sometimes also my rain clothing or rain garment, and then I can just place the backpack like this, quite easy, pull the things out and then put it back on my backpack or back on my back again. Okay. Now to the front. The front has no molly. Why no molly? Yeah, I don't need molly. I personally don't need molly. I'm also not a big molly or strap fan with hundreds of modular accessories and pouches on the outside. So clean and easy. Now I would skip or jump to the upper part, because then it's easier to show the big back of the backpack. These straps for the upper part begin or start down here, so they are really long. Yeah, on the next on my next big backpack, I think I will attach them somewhere here, or yeah, I'm not sure, but make them a bit shorter, because the backpack is always full enough, so I don't have to attach these buckles down here. But I could if I want to. Then here are also buckles, or those buckles. Yeah, I think buckles is the name of the word, to detach. So I can detach my top, or the top of the backpack, quite easy. This has got some Velcro on it, so I can attach a patch. And then one zipper pocket with a small mesh pocket and a loop to secure equipment. Usually I use it for a map, a compass, and things I have to get access to quite fast or easy or often. And then the second one is with this red zipper pull by Ventum Gear, because I always have got my first aid / survival kit inside here. Oh, it's the wrong one, sorry. I've got my kit right here. It's red, and it's easier to find when there is this red zipper pull. Of course, if I need more camouflage, I can remove it. But honestly, I mostly use this backpack in mountain environment where I'm doing like outdoor stuff or mountaineering things. Okay, that's it. Really simple, but it works. And I really like it. The thing is, I made those straps also a bit longer, because then if I'm carrying a big rope with me, or if I carry rope at all, or some extra things, I can just place them on top and then tighten it with the top compartment of the backpack. Now it's easier to see the front, or how the front works. Here again is a strap, relatively long, to compress the top, for example. Then up here, now to the top, you can see here it's closed with this cord. It's paracord, and I use this cord locker, I'm not sure how it's called, and sewed it onto the backpack. So when loosening it, I can open it with one hand, but the main advantage of this is I only have to pull and it closes itself, so I don't need two hands to close the top of the backpack. Then in front, I hope you can see it. I don't want to switch perspective too often, because I'm sure it will start to rain relatively soon. Here's a G-hook. A G-hook doesn't work that good in this position, so next time I think I will do it differently. But now let's open it. Here's also the zipper, the zipper from the front. And I made a special construction or special thing with this zipper. I think now you can see it. Yes, the zipper starts here, goes around and up here. I have got 3 zipper pulls. One is up here, 2 are down here. With these 2, I can open the zipper like this and have full access like a normal front loader. And even when the top part is attached, it's easy to get to the content of the backpack. Quite easy, because on some other backpacks the top part will cover the zipper pulls or the opening of the front. But in this case, it's not. Now, the cool thing about the zipper being open up here is when I open it like that, I can fold the complete backpack open, and when I have a lot of things inside for climbing and I need all of them, or when I have a lot of things inside for sleeping, I can empty my backpack really fast and easy and have full access to the whole content of it. You can see it's all almost sleeping bags and jackets and so on. The inside doesn't have any compartments, so it's only one big bag, but a small mesh pocket here. It originally was made for hydration system, but sadly I made it too tight, so the hydration system doesn't fit inside. And up here is a loop to secure the hydration system. But I forgot to make the opening for the tube, so yes, I have to lead the tube of the hydration system through the top, and that's a bit annoying, but next time I will know better and I will do it differently. Yes, so one big bag without any molly or extra pockets, only the big one, the two side pockets, the two mesh pockets and the top pocket. So it's relatively simple, and this is how I like it, because I like to have the big bag where I'll put all my things inside and not a lot of small compartments where I have to place smaller things inside. But this is how I do it, and it's self-made, so it's made to my needs. Okay, let's fill it up again. Yes, I'm sure you already noticed this video is like a quick and dirty introduction or review of my Selfmade backpack, because you cannot buy it. You can use this video to get some impressions if you want to make your backpack yourself, or if you're a company or work for a company that makes high quality backpacks, feel free to get in contact with me and we can design a cool big backpack. Okay, as a final point, let's talk about the bag system. It's from Tatonka. In Germany we call it Lastenkraxe. I'm not sure what the exact word in English is, but it means something like a carrying system or a metal frame to attach a lot of weight to. So you can carry water tanks or heavy mortar ammunition or other things that are heavy and bulky. Yes. Usually these carrying things are made with the bag system, and then I have something down here to support the load, but I removed it, and this way I can slide my self-made bag on top of this. Now, to remove the bag from the carrying system, I just have to loosen some straps over here. They are made like a pulley system, so they go through and through, so it's easy to tighten it, and it's also easy, really easy to remove. Only two straps, and this is good enough to attach it, and then I can just slide this out. So it's that simple. This is the Lastenkraxe, the carrying system. Here were the attachment points of this thing where you can place the water tank or the ammunition box on. And now it's that simple. And yeah, it's strong, made for carrying high loads and comfortable or comfortable. Yeah, and now here the backpack itself. So it's really easy to split. I could even make a new one and use the same bag system. This is really cool. Or can I make a smaller one and still use the same bag system? Here I have like a pocket, and this will fit over this frame. It's an aluminium frame, so it's relatively heavy, but again, the whole backpack weighs around 380. Oh my god. Yes, feel free to hate around about my English, but as I can see in the comments of my freelance video, my English seems to be understandable. So sorry, I'm German, and sorry for my sometimes a bit strange English or whatever. Yes, so this pocket will fit over this frame, and the backpack or the frame is relatively heavy, but the whole backpack weighs around 3.8 kilogram, so it's still lighter than some other backpacks. Okay, now I just have to slide the frame inside the pocket. And then, now the strap goes through here, around the frame, through this delta ring or D ring, and then back up. And this way it creates something like a pulley, as I mentioned before. Then back to the buckle. And it's so easy to tighten, because you only have to pull approximately half the force, since it's like a pulley system. And I do this on both sides. And now it's attached to the back again. So really easy, fast to do, and it's safe enough. You can see here is some free space, but here is one attachment point, and this pocket goes down to here. So it's only this part, and because it's tightened that much, it's really tight and strong enough. Never had a problem of it slipping away. Yeah, and I think that's it. Okay, so this is the backpack. You cannot buy it. I made it myself, but I hope you got an idea. A lot of people asked on my freelance video, so I decided to introduce it in English. Before I made a video in German some time ago, and there I go into a bit more details. But I think for a quick and dirty video, this one was good enough. Hope you liked it, and feel free to comment. Don't forget to subscribe, hit notifications, and thank you for watching. Looking forward to see you again, or looking forward to be seen by you again. Bye. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit notifications, and see you next time. Bye.